Thoughtfully renovated with the intention of becoming a forever home, this beautifully redesigned residence reflects quality craftsmanship, timeless finishes, and pride of ownership in every detail. Welcome to 3609 Bowman Circle in Cleveland, Tennessee. Featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 beautifully renovated bathrooms, and over 1,300 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space, this home blends modern elegance with everyday comfort. From the moment you step inside, you'll notice this isn't a typical renovation. Every room has been carefully designed to create a warm, inviting atmosphere where family and friends naturally come together. The open concept layout flows effortlessly into the completely redesigned kitchen, featuring granite countertops, modern cabinetry, and a layout that makes entertaining just as enjoyable as everyday living. One of the home's most impressive features is the custom-built entertainment wall. The sleek linear electric fireplace, illuminated display niches, and a built-in media center create a stunning architectural centerpiece that gives this living space a truly custom feel. The primary suite offers a peaceful retreat unlike anything you'd expect in this price range. Wrapped in floor-to-ceiling marble-look porcelain tile, the spa-inspired bathroom showcases a beautiful, freestanding soaking tub, a custom double vanity with an illuminated LED mirror, elegant matte black fixtures, and a clean contemporary design that invites you to relax and unwind. The guest bathroom continues that same level of craftsmanship with a beautifully tiled walk-in shower, designer finishes, an illuminated mirror, and elegant gold accents that make every space feel thoughtfully designed. Throughout the home, you'll find new windows, new interior and exterior doors, updated ceramic tile flooring, fresh paint, modern lighting, and a brand new architectural roof installed just a few months ago, providing peace of mind for years to come. Step outside onto the newly constructed deck overlooking the backyard, the perfect place to enjoy your morning coffee, entertain friends, or simply relax and appreciate the beauty of East Tennessee. With over $100,000 invested in renovations and improvements, this isn't simply a remodeled home. It's a home that was thoughtfully redesigned with quality, comfort, and everyday living in mind. Conveniently located within the city of Cleveland, you'll enjoy easy access to the Greenway, shopping, restaurants, schools, medical facilities, and everything this growing community has to offer. Chattanooga, the Ocoee River, Cherokee National Forest, and endless outdoor adventures are all just a short drive away. If you're searching for a home where every detail has been carefully considered, a home that feels as beautiful as it is functional, then this is one you truly need to experience in person. Welcome home.